My name is Auma Rebecca from Serere District, Serere Sub-County, Abuket Parish, Okungro Village. Before joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I was a farmer growing certain crops. We have potatoes, cassava, majorly for food. I got to know about Gudie Leisure Farm through our parish chief. They contacted me that there is a certain company dealing with the NGOs and they are in need of women aged 18 to 30 for training in various categories. I'm in Feedmill department and I've learned on different types of machines used in feed processing. For example, an extruder, which is used for making floating feeds. There is a pelletizer, which is used for making picking feeds. And there is a feed mixer, which is used for mixing feeds. We have poultry feeds, fish feed, and then the ones for pigs. Apart from Feedmill, I've learned about how to care for chicks, that is poultry. Yes, whereby there is vaccination, where they sleep, there should be good hygiene, all of that. I've also learned on how to cook various types of foods. Actually, I've enjoyed the food, and then the climate, the showers, not like the way we used to shower in the village. We use this local bathroom, the toilet, even the staff, new faces. When I get back home, I will hold meetings pertaining Feedmill processing, whereby I will have to teach the other 100 women on how to make feeds. Actually, to the managing director, I'm so happy to be granted this opportunity.